A scoop that we are picking up on the Delhi Assembly session where fireworks are expected in the Assembly. The agenda this time is for the election of the Deputy CM that would be elected and discussion also on liquor policy on the CAG report. Top sources that have now been suggesting. Let's get in a word from Isha right now. Because Isha, as far as when it comes to on the day that the CAG report was presented, also a lot of hangama on the opposition MLAs were also seen where they were all marshalled out and they held a protest outside the assembly. Discussion is now expected on the same. What about the pending CAG reports? When will they be tabled?
Right, Amita. So today what we're expecting from the agenda from the House is that more discussions will take place on the CAG report that was tabled. The report that was on excise, there will be more discussion on that. As of now, there is not a plan to table more CAG reports. This is coming in from BJP. Sources inside the BJP are confirming to Times Now that as of now, there may not be a plan to actually table more CAG reports today. Today is just a day for discussion and it's also a day for Mohan Singh Bisht to be elected as the Deputy Speaker. In fact, Mohan Singh Bisht is an old face in the BJP and has been around for decades. So that is also going to take place. But as you were also pointing out, there will be no Aam Aadmi Party MLAs present in the House today. So a discussion between the opposition and the ruling party may not be possible because the MLAs have all been suspended because of protesting. And what the BJP alleged was that they created a ruckus in the House. The Aam Aadmi Party has been creating a ruckus for the alleged removal of the photos of Shahid Bhagat Singh and Baba Saheb Ambedkar. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party has been pressing on this issue for a long time. So again, questions are being raised why the Aam Aadmi Party is only talking about Ambedkar and a non-issue, because the photos were definitely present inside the Chief Minister and the other ministers' cabins, and we have also confirmed this with our own eyes that there may have been a reshuffling, but the photos were definitely present. So the Aam Aadmi Party has been making an issue out of a non-issue, but they will not be present in the House today. Back to you.
All right, the leaders who had been suspended owing to the ruckus and chaos and the protest that they were holding inside the assembly while the Lieutenant Governor was giving his address. Meanwhile, we also talk about the liquor policy as far as now scrapped, which involved massive financial irregularities in its formation, and that has been mentioned as far as in the CAG report is concerned. Now, the policy which led to the arrest of the top Aam Aadmi Party leaders, including its chief Arvind Kejriwal, his former deputy Manish Sisodia, Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh and former Delhi Minister Satyendra Jain as well. BJP has also announced that it will table all of the 14 pending CAG reports during the ongoing assembly session. Meanwhile, Congress has demanded a discussion on the issue, highlighting the discrepancies, and Congress has also demanded a criminal investigation into the case. However, there is no Congress MLA in the assembly.
बहुत सारी डिस्क्रिपेंसीज इस नई पॉलिसीज़ में हैं, जिसमें विशेष रूप से जैसे आपने कहा कि मोनोपोली की तरफ सीएजी की रिपोर्ट में ये भी कहा गया है कि क्वालिटी कंट्रोल पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ किया गया है। उनके ऊपर चेक और बैलेंसेस जो थे वो उस समय की सरकार ने नज़रअंदाज किए हैं। दिल्ली की जनता के साथ धोखा भी मैं मानता हूँ। भारतीय जनता पार्टी भी हमारा मानना है कि इसमें संलिप्त है, क्योंकि उसी समय के जो राज्यपाल थे उन्होंने इसकी इजाज़त दी थी।
Now, as far as on the first day of the Delhi Assembly session, 21 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, including the leader of opposition and former Chief Minister Atishi, were suspended for 3 days for disrupting the LG's inaugural address. Atishi and Aam Aadmi Party MLAs protested against the alleged removal of B.R. Ambedkar's portrait from the Chief Minister's office, accusing the BJP of disrespecting Ambedkar. On the other hand, Aam Aadmi Party has claimed that it was nothing but a conspiracy to defame the Aam Aadmi Party through the CAG reports, where AAP has also questioned that while AAP MLAs have been suspended, then with whom the BJP is going to hold discussions.
ये पूरी सीएजी रिपोर्ट भारतीय जनता पार्टी की झूठ का पोल खोल रही है। सीएजी रिपोर्ट क्या कह रही है कि पुरानी पॉलिसी में करप्शन था, पॉलिसी में स्मगलिंग हो रही थी लीकर की, पुराने पॉलिसी में इलीगल शराब बिक रहे थे, रेवेन्यू की चोरी हो रही थी, नई पॉलिसी ट्रांसपेरेंट थी, नई पॉलिसी में रेवेन्यू बढ़ा के टारगेट लिया गया था। टारगेट मतलब 9,000 करोड़ का था, लेकिन वो 9,000 करोड़ का टारगेट इसलिए नहीं मीट आउट हुआ क्योंकि उसमें एलजी साहब, ईडी, सीबीआई का इंटरफेरेंस करके वो रेवेन्यू टारगेट को मीट आउट होने से रोका करने से जांच कराओ।